Welcome to 3228 47th Street in beautiful, blissful Boulder, Colorado. Situated in the Noble Park Commons and Core subdivision, this lovely two-story home is a blend of modern elegance and incredible views. Offering 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, this beautifully remodeled home spans 1,800 square feet. Recent upgrades include new flooring and carpet, fresh interior and exterior paint, resurfaced cabinets and Quartz countertops, featuring 2 luxurious primary suites, each with its own full bathroom. The bathrooms boast Toto washlet bidets, Hansgrohe faucets, and stylish new lighting. The professionally finished basement provides additional living space and a private bathroom, perfect for guests, workout room, office space, or a cozy retreat. Enjoy stunning Flatiron views from the deck, dining room, and primary bedroom. This home uniquely features a full double driveway and a private front patio area surrounded by serene landscapes. Conveniently located near major highways, trails, and parks, this home offers easy access to Whole Foods, the Google campus, and local amenities. Explore nearby Wonderland Creek Trail, connecting to the Cottonwood Trail System, and Valmont Parks. This area is perfect for families, professionals, and outdoor enthusiasts who are looking for a fantastic central Boulder location with HOA-covered snow removal and exterior maintenance, all while enjoying the tranquil setting of the nearby pond. With its modern updates, amazing views, and ideal location, 3228 47th Street is a rare find in Boulder's real estate market. Contact us today for your exclusive tour.